Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the HPUSN lighting kit. It finally came in after all the waiting and I'm so excited to be unboxing it. Before I go any further, please excuse my voice. My throat has been quite itchy the past few days and I've been coughing non-stop. So this is my first time ever putting this thing together. Hopefully the video goes well, and please excuse my little one. She was quite curious, so if you see her walking in the background or walking everywhere, just don't mind her. Don't pay attention to her. Alright, so let's get into details. The kit did not come with a manual, so I basically just went with the flow on putting it together, but it does come with 2 soft boxes with stands, 2 really big light bulbs, 2 soft bags, and 1 content bag for like travel purposes, or like if you needed to like transport it, or just like to even like put it all in one spot, I guess. But this setup was like super easy. Oh no. So if you're just starting YouTube like me, and or you're looking for a softbox lighting kit for your videos, I recommend this lighting kit. The lighting is also great for like photography if you're in need of it for that. I didn't see a lot of reviews for this kit when I was searching for one, but good thing I came across the HPUSN lighting kit on Amazon for only like $60, and if you guys are interested, I'll share the link below for you to check it out. I really like the quality of this lighting kit. Like, it doesn't look flimsy like the other ones that I've seen, and the material of the softbox is pretty good. The stand itself could be more sturdy, but it stands well, so I'm not complaining. So far, I'm loving the lighting kit. Sadly, my battery died, so I didn't get to show how the lighting looked. But however, I will be using the soft boxes in my future videos, so you will eventually see how the lighting looks. So enjoy the rest of the video, and if you guys have any questions about the HPUSN lighting kit, just leave me a comment below and I'll make sure to answer that for you. Alright, so here is the finished product. I'm not. Yes. Yeah, turn it on. Wow. So you can see it lightened up the room a lot. Okay, do it again. Wow. Yeah. So this is the brand that I got, if you guys are wondering. So this is the lighting. Obviously, it's a little dark on the cameras.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, and then there was one thing that I didn't understand, which was this part, because when you take off the top, it's just the screw. So I wasn't sure if, because this was under here, under this hole right here. But then I just took it off and inserted the light on here. So I'm not sure if that is what you're supposed to do, but that's what I did. So and then adjust it from there. Alright, and then there you have it. I'm just gonna go ahead and set up the other one real quick and put these to test.